So we are in Rajawadi, Ghatkopar. We're checking out a bungalow on sale, Stilt, first, second, third, and you got a terrace as well. So 6 bedroom, 8 bathroom, 3 living space, and 3 kitchen, and approx 3,000 square feet carpet area. There you go. We got a lovely, serene, calm, and green bungalows here. Chittaranjan colony, Ghatkopar. We got a few parking spaces as well, and this was made in 1985, 1986. We can go in and have a look at this one here. A lot of nice bungalows, and there's a lot of peace and tranquility surrounding all these parts as we enter. That's a stilt here, the stilt area. This was the stone, the marble that they bought all the way back from 1985, 1986 from Rajasthan, and still exist, all the marble here. So the construction is solid and robust. You got a little garden here, you can do it up and prune it and make a nice, beautify it the way you want. That's a bedroom here that gives you an access to behind the areas, behind the outhouse, the staff room here. And these are the 2 gates, so you can bring your car in from here effectively and then park about 3 to 4 cars. And you got it's dotted with trees all around, and the trees are dating back years and years. There you go. So that's a construction. You can bring it down and do it up once again. You got a lot of area there, the staff area, you can do the utility area, you got the staff room, so you can do it up the way you want. Let's go back and see the other levels up. Only 20,000 rupees per annum property tax, no maintenance at all, because it's an independent one. Let's go up and have a look. So we took the staircase and we came up onto this side. We got 2 bedrooms, a kitchen and a living space. Now this will take you to the second level. This is the first level. You got a wash basin outside, you got a bedroom with the attached bathroom. So it's a nice chest tiling as well. There you go. It's a very pretty old fashioned. It was made way back in 1985-86, and there you go. That's your bathroom as well, and that's your bedroom there. So 2 bedrooms here and the living space, so you can design it and remodel it the way you want. It's greenery everywhere and reconstruct it. That's your kitchen. So pretty basic and elementary. Let's go up and have a look at the second level, which has the same layout as the first. So we came up on the second level, and this is a much better design than the lower level. Now this is a fully done up marble flooring with 2 bedrooms, a living space, and have a look at the door with the veneer laminate. Every door about 50,000 rupees, costing about that. You got a ledge here to sit, and plenty of greenery. Chittaranjan colony, Rajawadi, very famous. There you go. That's a live-in, and you got a kitchen here as well. So 3 kitchen altogether in this behemoth big bungalow. Let's go and see the couple of bedrooms. Now both the bedrooms will have ensuite attached bathrooms. So there you go. It's a nice one. If you open the curtains up, again there's plenty of greenery and tranquility, quiet and serene atmosphere. That's your bathroom. And we go up, we got a wardrobes here as well, so plenty of space. There's no dearth of space. Now this one here, again this one is also attached ensuite. Have a look at the wardrobes. There you go. So you can again redesign it the way you want, and people having penchant for bungalows can really relate to this one. Let's go up onto the 3rd level and then onto the terrace. So we came up on the 3rd level. Now that's the terrace. So before going on to the terrace, this is a beautifully designed floor, and it has a bedroom amalgamated into the living space. So about 60 to 70 lakhs spent on this level itself, with the great solid wooden doors and furniture, brown furniture, and also the dining and the beautiful gorgeous mandir there with so much greenery around. And that's the one, yeah, with the Italian marble flooring. So everything was done right from scratch onto this floor in this one here. Have a look at this one. You got a kitchen all the way till there with the refrigerator, gas pipeline. You got everything that you need So there was a bedroom there, like the layout of the lower floors. Now this has been inculcated and amalgamated into the live-in space. Now what happens is you got one bedroom here on top with two bathrooms. One is this one, the common one, with the washing machine right behind this one. Have a look at this, brilliant. You got trees around, you got mango trees. You just, in the summer, they just pluck mangoes right off the window. And you got a master bedroom with a walk-in, with a running walk-in wardrobe. There you go, beautiful. It's nicely done. So again, you got 100-year-old tree there, people tree, the heritage tree, that's what they call, and they preserved it. And you can't find the bathroom here, but it's camouflaged. Just push this and you find it right here. There you go. Excellent. Very well designed apartment with a lot of wardrobe and cabinet and good artwork, a little bit here and there. But if you design it right from the beginning, it's going to be one of a kind. Let's go and have a look at the terrace now. So we came up from the third level and we've come to the best part and a beautiful feature, which is the terrace. So you can have parties, you can have low sitting area. Those are the permanent lights. And what you can have is a live counter here. So you can do barbecue, you can have functions, anniversaries, and get-togethers. It's a beautiful one. 259 bungalows in Chittaranjan colony. And you see everywhere there's greenery, there's calmness, this soothing and serene atmosphere. A lot of mango trees and a lot of coconut trees around as well. So you can reconstruct this bungalow. You can break it down and build it right from the scratch. Make a nice bigger carpet area, which we can discuss on the phone. And you got lights here. So Diwali lights as well as the permanent lights, these ones. So there are top-notch people living around, corporates and government officials and people from all walks of life, the big wigs. So this is a bungalow Stilt, 1, 2, 3 plus terrace, approximately 3,000 square feet, Chittaranjan colony, Ghatkopar East, Rajawadi. And we love Ghatkopar, don't we? Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come have a look at this, haul at me guys. Cheers.